Adab and Namaste friend. This is me, Syed Shujathullah, your advocate educator working at Telangana High Court. So today we will be talking about a very good tussle with regard to what executive and judiciary. These kind of cases are very hardly seen, but today we have something which is very going to be very much in the news from today onwards for 3-4 days for sure. So here we are having executive in the form of Delhi opposition party at this point of time. Okay, Aam Aadmi political party. We are having the leader Arvind Kejriwal, and we are having one of the very beautiful judges, that is Swarna Sharma, Madam, Honorable. Okay, so Arvind Kejriwal wants Justice Swarna Sharma should be removed from Delhi liquor policy case. Now he does not want her to be presiding over this particular case. Now the question here is why he want to do so. Let us go ahead and find out. Okay. So here you can say we are having the Honorable Justice Swarna Sharma and the Arvind Kejriwal, the opposition party leader in Delhi at this point of time and also in power in Punjab. So that's why we call him as former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Sunday moved a plea, means nothing but put a plea in the Delhi High Court seeking the recusal of Justice Swarna Sharma. Recusal is a legal terminology which literally means that, okay, the judge, we are asking judge to not to take over our case. Means she has to voluntarily say that, okay, I will not be dealing that particular case. That is only called as what? Recusal. Remember this point. Suppose I am a judge and you come up with a case. I don't want to actually talk about that particular case. Like let us suppose I am a Muslim and I am a judge also. Let us suppose I have got, what I say is that a case with regard to halala banning petition, okay, or cow slaughter banning petition with regard to the Bakrid. So I'm not sure that what kind of this here what happens is my religion rituals and the social and the legal aspects will come into the place. So I will not be the best person to able to decide any of this, right? So that's why what I'll do is that I'll just say that, okay, I don't just want to deal with this case. I'll try to recuse it so that it will go to another bench. That particular process is called as recusal, and that is what Aam Aadmi party leader, okay, Arvind Kejriwal is saying that, okay, Madam Swarna Sharma should not be presiding over the liquor scam case. Now let us see why is it so. Former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Sunday moved a petition in the Delhi High Court seeking the recusal of Justice Swarna Sharma in the matter concerning the Central Bureau of Investigation plea, okay, against discharge of Aam Aadmi party chief and all other. Okay. So accused in the liquor policy case. So Aam Aadmi party and some other important leaders of Aam Aadmi party has been discharged of any of the cases against them in the liquor policy case. So let us now talk about who is the Honorable Justice Swarna Sharma. Why does Arvind Kejriwal want her to recuse this particular case? What is the liquor policy case at this point of time? Let us see one by one. This is also important to my Telangana, one of the very stalwart leader, Kavita Garu. Okay. So he is Justice Swarna Sharma. Justice Swarna Sharma is a permanent judge of Delhi High Court. She is like, obviously the madam is properly appointed and she has been there permanently. She was elevated to the position on March 28, 2022 as one of the judge in the Delhi High Court. Before her elevation, she served as a magistrate starting at the age of just 24 and later become the principal district and session judge cum special judge CBI at the Rouse Avenue Court in the March 2022. She has got a lot of credibles for her. Okay. Justice Swarna Sharma, you can see that holds a LLB degree in the 1991, LLM in the year 2004 and a PhD in the year 2005. Very, very awesome in judicial education. With experience presiding over civil, criminal and special courts, as I have already told you, being a lawyer, I am telling all the, okay, emerging advocates, make sure that you don't be a specialist. Specialist will not be getting what, okay, judgeships, not be getting what, senior counsel gowns, etc. so and so forth. As a senior counsel or the judgeship, you need to have the focus, you need to have the overview of all the important laws. So if you're just working on IPR or family or cyber, then you will not be getting what, that particular position. So you have to be having the focus of all the laws, because as a judge, any case can come to you, so you should have a wisdom to decide it. She also served in the special courts, including Mahila courts too. She has authored multiple books, including Judicial Education, Achieving Constitutional Vision of Justice, and works addressing social issues like Tumhari Sakhi, women rights, and Beyond Bagban, senior citizen right. Okay. Justice Swarna Sharma, we have learnt about her like personal life and the education qualification. Okay, personal life is nothing but how that the education qualification and the professional progression that we have seen, not about the personal life. Actually, we have not spoken about the family life, and that is not also not important for us to know also. Justice Sharma and Delhi Liqour case policy, how she is related, etc. So and so forth. We will be talking about it on February 27th. Like this year, 2026, the trial court discharged Kejriwal, Sisodia, and 21 others pulled up by the CBI. CBI has filed a case against Aam Aadmi Party leader Kejriwal and many other belonging to Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, CBI has arrested them, took them into detention, and the case was going on and on and on. And February 27, that is the last to last month, we saw them that they all has been freed. Nothing but they have been they have been acquitted by the court, trial court, saying its case was wholly unable to survive judicial scrutiny and stood discredited in its entirety. Complete case is false. That is what that was the actual judgment given by the trial court, which is nothing but a lower court. On March 9, issuing notices to all 23 accused on the CBI's pleas against the discharge, Justice Sharma said certain observations and findings of the trial court at the stage of framing of the charges prima facie appeared erroneous and needed consideration. So basically, Honorable Justice Sharma, she said that whatever the trial court has given the judgment, that's fine, but there are certain observations are there and findings are there of the trial court at the stage of framing of the charges that looks very erroneous. Means she did not understand that why such kind of things has been implicated in the particular petition and observations of the trial court, and she said that I want to consider again. So that was happened. So the case is not yet over. CBI has again filed in the High Court, and Justice Swarna Sharma madam has told that there are some merits are there in the case, so I would like to reconsider it. Justice Sharma bench also stayed the trial court recommendations on the initiation of departmental action against the CBI investigation officer also. On March 16, that is nothing but the last month, Justice Sharma granted time to former CM of Delhi, Kejriwal, and others to respond to the CBI petition challenging their discharge. What is Kejriwal plea? What does he want Justice Sharma to be accused? In a representation made on March 11, Kejriwal as well as AAP leader Manish Sisodia along with other accused in the excise policy claimed there was a grave bona fide and reasonable apprehension that the hearing in the matter before Justice Sharma would not be partial and neutral. So they are actually saying that madam will not be doing a great justice to us. She is going to be impartial. She is not going to be neutral with us. That's why they want her to not to preside with the case and voluntarily say that I will not be dealing that case, because the clients, the parties like Aam Aadmi Party and the others are not happy with her. That's what. Kejriwal claimed that Justice Sharma's past conduct and her handling of several related excise policy matters suggested a predisposition. So she already made a mind that her past experiences and her past judgment says that she already made a mind that how to dispose this particular case. He noted that Kejriwal on the first day of the CBI plea, she recorded a prima facie view that trial court order was erroneous without even hearing the defense. How can someone will say that the trial court order is erroneous without hearing the defense? So as because she has already decided that it is erroneous, that's why she has been labeled as what she has everything predisposition in her mind. Means she already thinks well before in advance, and she made a mind that this is what it is. That is what the Aam Aadmi Party leader is worried about. Without hearing the defense, how can madam says that lordship says that it is erroneous? AAP leaders pointed out that Supreme Court has previously set aside several other orders passed by the Justice Sharma in the same excise related investigation, and they also quoted Supreme Court whenever madam has given the order. Supreme Court has always set aside many of her orders. It means what there is no merit, there is no credibility with regard to how she approaches a particular case. And they are afraid that she will be impartial, she will be partial, she will be not neutral. She stayed a trial court recommendation for a departmental inquiry also against the CBI investigation officer, which Kejriwal argues was wide and consequential relief granted prematurely. Without even hearing what the CBI's investigation officer, why he has been rebelled, without knowing anything, she just stayed that particular departmental inquiry against the CBI officer. So everything she has been done, she did it without even hearing the AAP defense lawyers. So Justice Swarna Sharma, she has done, first of all, she said it, Justice Swarna Sharma, she said that, madam said that, okay, the first one here is that, AAP leaders, AAP Kejriwal and all other were discharged. No, she says that, okay, there is some erroneousities there with regard to trial. We have to look, means they are still under what investigation, the AAP leader and the others also. Second one, she stayed the CBI investigation officer, department of inquiry. Okay, fine. And the third one is that Supreme Court, okay, has many times has reversed or have set aside many of our orders. Okay, and this too, you can see she has decided this too without even hearing the defense. Okay, a similar plea for recusal is also expected to be filed by other discharged accused as well, as per the sources PTI. I hope this is all clear to you. What is your opinion? Okay, of giving all the conditions with regard to her credibility, or with regard to the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, their apprehension, would you be siding with Justice Swarna Sharma, or would you be siding with the Aam Aadmi Party leader? Please write in the comment section. I hope this is all clear to you. Please do support me by making small contributions to my channel so that I can grow it and make it more better and more polished and sophisticated in the form of what transitions, etc., so and so forth, to help you out more better. Okay, so the details of my accounts has been given in the description. You can just help it out that way. Thank you. Take care.